Hi everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to make a Chervon bracelet. To get started, you will need 4 of your favorite colors, something to hold down the bracelet. I'm choosing to use tape, but another thing you could use is a clipboard, and then you will need scissors to cut the threads. After you gathered all your materials, cut off a good amount of length for all the 4 colors. Make sure all the threads are about the same length. Once you finish cutting them, align them as perfectly as possible and fold it in half. Create a knot at the end of the threads. Hold your pre-made bracelet in place using tape or a clipboard. Once you do that, you can start spreading it out evenly so that it keeps you organized. Make sure that the right exactly mirrors the left. As you can see, for example, my order is purple, pink, blue, and white. There should be a mirror effect. Now that everything is in place, it's time to get started with the bracelet. You can start off with either right or left side, but I'm choosing to start off with my left side. To get started, you have to start out with the most outer thread. For me, that is purple. To make a knot, put the thread you're working with over the next thread. For me, that will be purple over pink. Once it is over, put it under the pink, and that is how you create a knot. After you finish creating 2 knots for the first thread, move on to the next one. For me, that is the color blue. I will create 2 knots for blue and then move on to white. Create 2 knots for white. And that is it for the left side. Once I was done making the 2 knots for the white thread, it was time to move on to the next side. On the other side that you will be working on, again, start from the most outer thread and go inwards. After you complete the first row, you'll see that there is a shift to the order of the threads. The purple threads, which were the most outer threads, are now in the middle. Pink, which was in second place, are now in the most outer place. Blue, which was third place, is now in second place, and white, which was in the fourth place, is now in the third place. So you will see this pattern continuing as you continue with your bracelet. There will always be one shift going outwards, and the outermost thread will always end up back in the middle. Once you get to your 4th row, the pattern will start over again with your original order. For me, that will be purple, pink, blue, and white, and it will be the same pattern over and over again until I reach my desired length. And ta-da! Your bracelet is done. Once you're done with your bracelet, wrap it up by tying a knot at the end. Make sure to leave some loose ends so that you'll be able to tie your bracelet later. With that being said, I hope this video was helpful and thank you so much for watching. Leave a comment down below what kind of videos I should make next. I'm so excited to be back here in the YouTube space and can't wait to create more content. Hope everyone has a good night, day, or whatever it may be.